I'll go get Phil out so you can wait. Okay.
Thank you.
Your arm
Like this?
next to your body, then you open your finger. Hey, buddy.
Oh, Phil, you're so cute. Yes, Phil, come home. Just remember Runda.
So the reason why we didn't release him because the right wing is still drooping. I'm gonna have to fall in.
Yeah, you don't have to release him. I'll take him home.
Phil, we love you too much. We gotta get t-shirts. I love Phil. Yeah, his wing is drooping.
Yeah.
So what's his story? Why is his wing down like that?
He fell off the nest when he was still a young baby, a few days old.
Oh, where did you find him?
Just next door. A guy next door brought him to us.
Oh, very nice.
Oh. His feet are so big, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Tella, your turn.
Yes. Okay, put your arm like this.
Sideways.
Don't feel his weight. Your elbow next to your body. Okay. Like that. If it,
Hi, Phil.
Is he heavy, Telly?
Yeah, he's heavy.
Phil, you're too cute.
Huh?
So he just eats chick mash.
give him a day old chicks.
Oh, the little guys.
Yeah. And
So he hunts them?
no, he doesn't. We usually give him the albino mice and he stays with the mice for 2 days.
He doesn't eat them.
He's just curious to see them.
Yeah. Oh, bless his heart.
Oh, hi.
Is he not the cutest?
Can we get a picture?
Phil, you're too cute.
That was awesome.
Converted his head for about 270
Yeah.
degree.
Almost the whole way.
We have one by our house. He turns the head like, and it just looks at us.
So
Doesn't
pretty.
do anything.
The spotted one
Yes. Which one is this one?
Verreaux's
is the
eagle.
ferret one.
Which one?
Verreaux.
Verreaux eagle.
Verreaux.
It's a French word, Verreaux.
Like Pierrot. He's so cute.
In about 2 months, we put him with Tina, see if they get babies.
Him?
Yeah.
Ah, nice. So what do you do with the babies? They just stay or
We release them.
or release
The
them?
babies,
That is great.
Amazing. Simply amazing.
No, we normally specialize with birds of prey.
Yeah.
Because they're the ones that are critically endangered at the moment.
So cute.
Do you also believe that it has a bad omen?
Me? Always say it's good. And plus I think like, what's a bird got to do with anything? It's you bring your own luck.
Yeah.
You know? Any
I
bad
think people should stop this perception, yeah? Of
But it's
having
not only in the African culture, it's also in many cultures. That it can either bring you very good luck or either bad luck.
Oh, that's bad.
But what's written in your destiny is written, right? Oh, you look so cute. Look up.
Like in Senegal, people used to kill vulture because they believe that also some parts of the vulture has supernatural powers.
Yeah.
Like maybe hearing when you have headache, of which doesn't work.
It's like many animals.
Phil likes looking behind him.
So he gets bigger than this, or this is full size?
He'll be around 2.7 kilo when he's fully grown.
So that's
And
like
how much is he now? 2 kilo?
1.5.
Oh,
Maybe I'm not as strong as I think. So he's halfway.
Yeah.
Oh, Phil, you're too cute. We don't want that.
Yeah, he gives a good stroke.
Oh, he
Aw.
doesn't bite hard.
Yeah.
See, when they get that look, we're like, okay. Right, Phil? Can he fly or not really?
He does a bit.
We used to fly him, but he got very tired because, you know, he came in with a broken wing.
Yeah.
And if the wing is misaligned, you can't fly with any balance.
Mm.
And that means you have to put a lot of extra effort in to do it. So the most he could really do was about 50 meters at a time.
Okay.
And then he gets tired and just stop on the ground. And also he's very easily distracted. So if we were out flying and he saw a waterbuck or a giraffe walking by, that was end of session.
What would he do?
He would just concentrate on them, and then getting him back would be a bit of a pain.
Does he want to like go chase them or
No, it's just something interesting to look at, something that
like TV?
Yeah.
Good
and,
show.
Even when we take him out on the glove and just have him with a group of people, he's just looking at all the leaves moving around and everything walking by.
That's nice.
Yeah.
He's so cute.
Come on. Are we going to do this? Yes, we are. He's getting ready. Boy. Uh-oh, you missed. See, one of the things about owls is that they're not very bright.
Oh, really?
And in training them how to hunt, you have to get them to land on their prey, and that takes up the bulk of the training.
Oh, okay.
Because if they don't land on it and they just stand by it and look at it, by the time they've decided they want to eat it, it's run away.
Right.
So, good buddy. You gonna try this again? Oh, it's over there.
Oh, you taking a video? Good night.
Yeah.
Go on. Almost. Yeah.
Good bird.
So you got it now.
Oh,
Well done.
That is so
Well
cute.
done. Are you gonna be nice to me? And get you up here. Oh,
He's so cute.
balance nicely. Huh? You killed it. Yes. Good. Now you gotta turn around.
He says no.
So he's in one of either three moods at any one time: asleep or playing around like this, or nicely getting onto the glove and being passed around.
That's okay. The playing's great.
Yes, that's the way. So he gets it right every third or fourth time.
Oh, that's amazing.
So he's an imprint, but at least he has that kind of play hunting instinct. But imprinting means that he thinks he's a human, and so he can't be released because of that. He just wouldn't recognize his own species. He wouldn't be able to hunt efficiently. He'd get himself in trouble by getting too close to people.
Yeah.
So he's much better off as an education bird, as you can see.
He's amazing.
Raising him was
what about the other bird, Tina?
sorry?
The other bird, the female.
She's an adult,
Uh-huh.
and he's only about a year and a half old. So even if he wasn't psychologically impaired,
Right.
there'd still be no interest there. She's
Yeah,
too young, so she has no interest in him. He still has. He's got other things in breeding and mating on his mind.
Mm-hmm. Cool.
But in a few years, when he is a proper adult, if he does show signs that he's a normal owl, we'll try it again and put them together.
Fabulous. How they live for what, 5 years, right?
I know. They big owls like this, 30, 35.
Oh, 30 years?
Oh, that's
35 years?
great.
We've got a couple of large eagles at our next base, Soisambu, which are, one of them is in the 50s and still breeding. I've got a fish eagle that I ringed a few years ago, and a colleague ringed about 20 years before that on the lake, so he's in his 30s. Vultures comfortably live into their 50s and 60s.
Oh, wow.
So, little buddy, are we going to pass you around?
It's alright, don't worry about it.
He can just play, it's fine.
It's fine. We're good. We'll come back again.
Oh, it is like that. Okay. He's still alive. Huh? Uh-oh. Now that.
He says that's his.
If I just borrow your glove, get him off the line. Yeah.
Ooh.
Birds do that once a year. They shed their old tattered feathers and grow new ones.
So nice.
He's so good.
Glove off you.
Bye, Phil.
See if these will grow up to and get them up onto a tree plant.
Yeah.
Put you over here, buddy. Everyone can
Yeah.
come close and say hi. Just come up and just give him a bit of a stroke on his feet and his belly. Hi, buddy.
He says no.
No, he's fine. Come on in.
He doesn't bite hard, they say.
No, he's just playing around.
You got to put your hand, your glove.
Just to be safe.
Okay.
Buddy, you gotta stand.
So cute. Hi, Phil. There.
So you want to get your hand away, just gently pull and you'll get the message. Oh, buddy, you gotta let it go. Okay, now you can do it. I'll go ahead.
There you go. Cute.
All right.
Thanks, Phil.
It was so awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Shiv.
Now you got me. Buddy, you know, come on.
See, now he'll be like fine.
Properly. Sit you down properly. Boy.
See you later.
Bye, Phil.
If you only use your gloves,